Hi guys, Colin from Stinn Tech. Gail was nice enough to donate a Lenovo laptop for our Tech Renew program. This laptop has Windows 11 on it. We had to put a solid state drive into it so it's nice and fast for everyday use like web browsing, office documents, a little bit of Netflix, YouTube, that sort of thing. It won't do 4K or anything like that. It's just a basic laptop. We left the original 500 gig hard drive in there as well, so it has a little bit of storage for pictures and that sort of thing. Our Tech Renew program is a program to donate technology back into the hands of people that need it. So we're asking people to fill out that form, link in the description, and if you need any more information, I've got the link to the website that explains our Tech Renew program to everybody. But that's a great little laptop for someone who needs it. So come in, fill out the form if you guys don't have access to a computer, or in the link it's there. Share this and we'll get that out to someone who needs it. Thanks, Gail, for your donation.